It's your boy Back to Back Los in the building, and today we got another video with the Hyundai Accord. We got a new GoPro. My last one had broke. I don't know what happened to it. It wouldn't turn on, it wouldn't charge, it wouldn't do nothing. So I did have to go get another one. That's why I haven't been making any videos. But now we back, and we better. We way better. We couple numbers up better. But yeah, let's go ahead and make this little first video and see how it record. And yeah, let's get right into it. Ignore this fender liner. I didn't have the right clips for it, but I believe all I gotta do is either cut this or get some heat. Either way it go, I can get this from showing. It's not no big deal. But I did have to get this replaced, so that way I didn't have rain running up into my intake the whole time. Because what happened was last time, I don't know how this ripped a hole, and everything up under this was gone. It's like a little piece up under here, fender liner up under here protecting whatever. Well, right now my intake all the way down here. So one time it rained, and I went through it wasn't even no big puddle, it was a decent sized puddle. Went straight through it, my car stalled straight just like that. My car stalled right in the middle of the road, right before the highway. So at that moment, I knew how important it was to get another one, which I did. Alright y'all, my bad. I had to figure out my camera. Every time I set up my GoPro, I do this every single time. I look like somebody I know. Every time I get in the car, I end up having to figure out what's the best place to put my GoPro so that y'all can see everything. Golly. I'm gonna make a U-turn somewhere up here. I realistically have no idea where I'm at. Let's turn right here. Hell nah, let me get up out of here. I'm in the country. They gonna try to shoot my black eye. Starting to get a little toasty in here. Hold on. Piece of the road missing. appreciate y'all for watching. I think this video gonna come out really well with the new camera. I'm happy I got it, so y'all will be seeing some more videos from me very, very soon. I got so many ideas I've been thinking about over time since I haven't had a camera. I've been cameraless for like 2 months straight, y'all. I've been cameraless for like 2 months straight. So that's where all my videos. I recorded one video on my phone and it was cool, but honestly, I'm not finna drive around without having my phone in my hand. You know what I'm saying? I gotta attach it to my head. Now I gotta keep making sure the video look right. And that's almost impossible to do without a GoPro. Because GoPro, I got my phone. I can just look at this and then, you know what I'm saying, use that to monitor where my head at. But yeah, y'all. Again, thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe so I know that y'all tuning in, y'all liking my content. And please make sure you like the video so I can drop more videos and make better videos. But all right, y'all. I guess that's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching for like the 50th, 100th, millionth time. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.